Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix PUBG Battlegrounds not launching on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. First step is to verify game files and add launch options. To do this, you just need to open up Steam, right click on the PUBG and select properties. Now you just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Just to copy and paste it under the launch option. After pasting it, just click on outside and go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After getting done, just to close stuff here. The second step is to update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. To do this, you just need to open up GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open up the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After doing it, close it off here. The third step is to disable overlays. Disable any overlays such as Steam, Discord or GeForce Experience as they can sometimes interfere with the game. Fourth step is to check for Windows updates. Make sure your Windows operating system is up to date. To check that, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, just to close stuff here. Fifth step is to reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ Redistributables. To do this, you just need to check my video description for the download link. Scroll down, select the language and select the download option and download it. And another one link, Visual C++. Scroll down. If you are using 64-bit operating system, then click on this link and download it. If you are using 32-bit operating system, then you just need to click on this link. After that, after getting download done, you just need to install both application. And after getting done, let's move on to the sixth step guys. Sixth step is to clean boot. Perform a clean boot to ensure no background programs are interfering with the game. To do this, go to search menu and type msconfig. Comes up with system configuration, click on open it. Click on services tab and select hide all Microsoft services. And then select disable all. And now you just need to check mark any wanted service in startup. I recommend to check mark the NVIDIA services. And after that, go to startup tab and select open task manager. And here you just need to disable everything listed over here. Just right click on it and disable it. After doing it, just to close stuff here and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to select restart option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. The seventh step is to reinstall PUBG. If none of the above solutions work, you may need to reinstall the game. To do this, open up Steam, right click on the game and select manage and select uninstall. After getting uninstall done, you just need to reinstall the game by downloading it. After that, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these steps fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.